July 18, 2024, a routine traffic stop quickly turns into a constitutional standoff when a driver refuses to hand over his documents, choosing instead to display them. What follows is a heated clash over control, compliance, and the limits of police authority.
Oh, well, y'all put it in here so I can roll the window down for this officer like you asked me to do?
Go ahead and roll it down.
Did you not ask me to do it? I rolled it down. I just never took the key back out. Now, I can take the key back out if you would like to.
Roll it down.
It's down.
No, roll it down completely.
Nah, I'm not rolling it down completely. Oh, so now he wants to reach into my car.
I don't even know who you are.
Look, now he's reaching into my car.
I don't know anything about you.
Look at him. He's reaching into my car, opening my door.
I'm not going to ask you again, okay? Do me a favor. Roll down that window.
No.
Oh my God! I don't even know who you are.
I'm speaking. You know who I am. I gave you my name. I gave you my birthday, and I gave you my motherfucking driver's license number.
Why are you cussing at me?
Because I can. Because now I'm getting irritated. I can curse if I like.
Irritated because I don't know who you are.
I don't care if you're irritated. I can curse if I like.
Why should I care that you're irritated?
I don't care if you care.
Okay then.
I didn't say you had to care.
What is your last name?
I gave you my last name, first name, birthday, and a motherfucking driver's license number.
What's your driver's license one more time then?
I gave it to you 2 times.
Well, I need it one more time.
Boom.
38.
Got it. You got it again? God damn, how many times you need it?
Well, I need it several times.
Well, now you have it more than several times. Now you have it more than several times. No. Well, take your helmet off. That's your fault. That's your fault you have to wear a helmet, not my fault.
Dude, why are you cussing?
Because I'm irritated now.
Okay then.
I am irritated now. Shit. How fucking hard is that? What? Motherfucker, you just opened my goddamn door, you piece of shit. What the fuck is wrong with you? You gonna ask me why I'm irritated? Now, is he not doing too much? Do he not have all my information?
I just got here.
No, but as far as you got here, do he not have my information? Did I not just give him my name, date of birth, driver's license number? Now you don't know what you're here? You're right here. See, that's how these police play games. He's right here now. All of a sudden, he didn't witness me give him anything. So you didn't see me give him anything? You didn't hear me give him anything? You just...
barely hear you in the car.
Oh, now that's your excuse? Okay. So did you hear it?
Nope.
You didn't hear nothing either. You standing right there behind him.
I was behind. Just talking into the car.
Y'all some shit pieces, man. Y'all some pieces of shit, man. Especially you. We already know you a documented piece of shit.
Legally, this situation centers on the Fourth Amendment and state vehicle code requirements. Police can require drivers to present identification during a lawful stop, but the method, whether physical surrender or display, can be contested depending on jurisdiction. The officer's act of reaching into the vehicle may raise Fourth Amendment concerns if no clear threat or refusal exists. However, the driver's escalating hostility weakens his position. Police grade, C. Citizen grade, D+.
I got all my shit right here. He mad because I won't put it in his hand. I'm not putting it in nobody's hand. I don't trust you. As far as I can throw you. And you're kind of heavy, so it don't look like I can throw you pretty damn far. So definitely won't be handing you shit.
March 31st, 2022, New Braunfels, Texas. What starts as a simple traffic stop turns into a loud First Amendment confrontation when a self-proclaimed auditor inserts himself into the scene, challenging police authority, giving legal advice, and pushing the limits of protected speech.
Hey, get out and record that bitch. Get out and record that bitch.
Sorry, you might not cuss.
That's the First Amendment, man. You know what the First Amendment is? You took an oath to uphold the Constitution. Don't talk to me and I won't talk to you. Don't talk to me and I won't talk to you. Don't talk to me and I won't talk to you. Deal? Deal? The First Amendment covers all that. Hey, ma'am, don't talk to this officer. Roll your window up and don't talk to her. Roll your window up and don't talk to her.
You will be detained for interference with public business.
You know what interference is?
Yes, I do.
It's speech alone. Fuck you.
Sir, I'm asking you nicely.
Ask. Keep asking. Keep asking.
You want to record? That's fine. If you could just
Get the fuck out of my face. Get the fuck out of my face. This is private property. I can be wherever the fuck I want to be, unless the owner tells. Fuck you and your investigation. Investigate this.
Sir, you're this close for me to detain
Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut up. Go do your job. Go do your fucking job, you stupid little bitch. You know who the fuck I am? Don't talk to her. Don't talk to her. Roll up your window and don't talk to her. You never have to talk to the police.
I'm gonna ask you to stay back over there, okay? Just stay back over by, is this your car here?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, I need you to step back there. You're interfering with our public duties, okay? They're trying to conduct a traffic stop.
What's the definition of interfering? I just want to know.
Sir, just go over here.
I don't want to go over there. How about if I go over here?
Stand back.
What's the definition of interfering?
Stand back.
What's the definition of interfering?
Sir, I don't have time to deal with you because you're dealing with a traffic
You're
stop.
dealing with a
okay?
traffic stop. You got 4 fucking units here. Hey, you think those, you think them stripes give you extra rights, man?
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Fucking tyrant. Hey, be cool, man. I'll be cool with you. You be cool with me. I know, bro. You look like you're a cool dude, man.
How do you like your sticker?
It's my wife's car, man. Yeah, I got a fucking Charger 392, bro. You know who I am?
No, sir.
You watch YouTube?
No.
You heard of the First Amendment? You heard of First Amendment auditors?
I really watch
Okay, that's cool, man. I'm not out here to give you guys a hard time, man. But she fucking approached me in a fucking aggressive way, so she gets what she gives. Like me and you see, we're cool, man.
Yeah.
You ain't giving me shit, so I ain't giving you shit. The fucking sergeant right here, he's gonna get some shit too when this shit's over.
Yeah, I understand. Everybody's different, man. But, we're just trying to.
Yeah.
This case revolves around the First Amendment and Texas Penal Code 38.0 to failure to identify. While speech alone is generally protected, courts have ruled that physical proximity or actions that disrupt police duties can cross into interference. The auditor is correct that passengers often do not have to identify without reasonable suspicion. However, directing individuals during an active stop and escalating hostility can justify police restrictions for safety. Police grade, B. Auditor grade, C.
You know what the definition of interference is in the penal code?
I do,
What is
yes.
it? What is it?
Sir, I'm not going to get into debate over you on
Because you don't
stuff
know
like
the fucking penal code, man.
Okay.
Speech alone does not construe interference. You should know that, Sergeant.
Would you say speech alone?
Speech alone.
Absolutely, you're 100% correct.
That's the First
You're
Amendment.
Encroaching on the traffic stop, which makes it unsafe for my officers.
Okay, what?
Because I don't know who you are, right? You're not doing anything.
Well, I don't know who the fuck you are either.
Okay.
You know? Hey, you know what? And what's the Supreme Court say for distance on recording?
September 15th, 2025. Downtown Kansas City. A man filming from a public sidewalk is suddenly confronted by security and then a bystander who threatens to break his camera. What begins as a simple recording turns into a tense showdown over rights, privacy, and the line between speech and intimidation.
I beg your
They
pardon?
don't want to be filmed. They don't want to be on camera. I don't want to be on camera.
I got a job to do. I'm working.
You can't. You got your film on.
Yes, sir, I'm working.
You can't film these people, man. They don't want to be filmed.
I can.
No, you
sir.
can't film these people. They don't want to be. If they don't want to be filmed, don't film them.
I have a job to do. So I got to stop
What's
doing
your
my
job?
Go ahead.
They don't want to be filmed. Don't film them.
Go ahead.
You can't film these people, man.
Who am I going to talk to? Who's in charge?
What's your job?
Who's in charge?
He's in charge.
I'm in charge.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Security. Oh, are we doing this now? Okay.
What?
Constitution.
This is just something I was just reading, though. I'm actually working.
Okay.
I wasn't going to go enter.
People, man. They don't wanna be
I wasn't going
filmed.
to go enter on you guys' property. I'm not even speaking to no one.
I understand. But unfortunately, what you're recording are people that are working in a
I
bank.
can barely hear you.
I said you're recording people who are in a bank.
I
and
am, I
there is
would.
privacy information that they are part of, that they have, and you could potentially end up getting information you are not allowed to have. So I need you to move along.
Is it my turn to talk?
Be my guest.
Okay. I wasn't going to go on their property. I wasn't even going to be long, just a couple hours. And then I'd probably be up out of here.
That's kind of a long time. A couple hours.
For who?
So why are you recording in the building?
I actually have a job to do with everybody approaching me how they did. Normally I tell people, but I'd rather just
Why
not.
don't you tell me? I mean, I'm the director of security for this building, so I mean, if anyone needs to know, it's probably me.
I'm just recording for my boss.
Well, who's your boss?
I don't really want to give out his personal information, man.
Then what company is he with?
I just rather not give out his personal.
Well,
If you
I'd
can
rather
respect.
not have you filming the interior of my building if you weren't going to give me any information on why and who you're with or anything.
Even if I'm just out here,
You're
sir.
not. You can't do it.
I wasn't going to go in there though.
Not the point. You're recording people who don't want to be recorded.
Well, do I have your express written consent to record you?
You
So
can
you say
record me
yes.
for a few moments, but you know what? You do not need to continue recording those guys. And just being out here recording people for no reason is just a very odd behavior. Just saying.
Well, you say you work here, right?
I'm the director of security.
You the director of security. Well, here. We can probably settle this now. What is you guys' Wi-Fi password?
I'm not getting the Wi-Fi password.
You
Why
wouldn't
would
be able
we
to
give you
share
the Wi-Fi password?
just so I can connect it up.
I'm not having you connect your personal cell phone to our Wi-Fi network.
I'll connect my work phone. It's not my personal phone.
No, we're not connecting your work phone either to our network. There's no way in this world you're getting a Wi-Fi password.
Well, can I speak with her, see if she'll share that with me?
Nope, you may not.
Okay. Okay, I'll be out here just about another close to 2 hours, sir. When I get out of here, I'm not speaking with no one. I'm cordial. I'm not even talking to no one. Just recording.
Okay, but there's absolutely no reason for you to record the interior of this building.
Who interior?
The interior of this building. Why are you recording it?
I have to get like right here.
No, really no, because you see, there's computer screens that have information on them, and you don't need that information.
And then on the other side, I'll just record that. That's all you can really see. Do you know how many floors this is?
Yes.
How many?
Why do you want to know?
I'm just asking. It's a tall building. Do you know how many floors there are?
Yeah, of course.
How many?
Occupied or unoccupied?
Just how many floors, period? 29? Hey, you mind scooting to the side real quick, man? Because they can't.
I do not. I'm not going to have you recording these people. They feel uncomfortable. They don't like it. I mean, it is what it is. So I'm asking you nicely. Otherwise, we can call the police and have them.
See, now you're making me nervous. Why would you do some stuff like that?
They don't want you on.
Just break that motherfucker. Let's break the camera and take the motherfucker. Since you want to take pictures of people they want to be taken, you got me on camera?
Huh?
You got it? You want that camera? You want to keep it?
He said he's gonna call
You
police.
want the camera? I ain't with them. I ain't nice.
Yeah, that's
If
fine.
them women don't want to be, them women don't want to be, and I want to, you see it? How about we just break that motherfucker? If they don't want to be, filmed,
That's an assault.
don't film them.
That's up to you. That's an assault.
That's not assault. I ain't
That
gonna
is
touch
an
you.
assault. Even the extension of my property, that's an.
Listen to me.
You about to learn a valuable lesson. today.
You're recording
You
people that
about
don't want to be
learn a valuable
recorded.
You about to learn a valuable lesson.
You're
today.
recording people that don't want to be recorded.
Alrighty, buddy. You're gonna learn a valuable lesson. He just said he's gonna call on.
They don't want to be recorded.
Okay, I ain't got no issue with that. That's not my problem.
Listen, bro, if it was me,
How about this? I don't want to be approached, but people still approaching me. I have no. Hey,
you can't record somebody that don't want to be recorded.
you can't
man.
approach somebody who don't want to be approached. I don't want to
can't
be
record
approached.
somebody that don't want to be recorded
I don't
either.
want to be approached, sir. So don't approach me. I don't want to be approached. Why you approach me then?
Cause you recording everybody.
See, everybody out here breaking the law. Then if you saying I can't record somebody from the public sidewalk, listen to what you saying, bro. That don't even make sense. Do it. Tell me to shut their blinds if they don't want me to record. Simple, easy fix. See, look at him. Now y'all making me nervous. Now he finna call the police because
Yeah,
you
he
tripping.
should.
Because he should call the police.
Yes. Bro,
Man,
this
you
is
tripping,
illegal.
bro. This is illegal.
Yes. You're
To-
recording people that don't want to be recorded, man.
I'm in public.
I don't.
This situation centers on the First Amendment and the concept of no expectation of privacy in public. Courts have consistently held that filming from a public sidewalk is generally protected. However, private property owners can restrict recording inside their premises. The bystander's threat to destroy the camera could be interpreted as criminal threat or assault if it places the filmer in reasonable fear. While the auditor is legally correct on public recording, His confrontational tone increases the risk of escalation. Security grade. Auditor grade. B. Bystander grade. F.
I don't care if it's public, but you're recording somebody in their business.
Here, man, I'm talking to an emotional person. Can you take
I'm not emotional.
Okay, listen, I'm about to say something.
I'm not emotional.
Okay, so I'm about to say something.
Go ahead.
And please take your emotions out of it.
Yeah, go ahead.
There's no expectation of privacy in public. I'm on a public sidewalk. Anything I see from public, I can record it legally.
So you think the police gonna let you do this when they come?
Fuck the police.
Bro, you crazy.
No, I'm not, bro.
December 9th, 2018, Mount Dora, Florida. A man silently records a police facility, triggering concern from officers who quickly escalate the situation from casual questioning to a potential investigation. But when the question, "Am I being detained?" is asked, everything changes.
Subload, Officer Rice. You okay? Can you understand me, sir?
He's not going to say anything about it.
What is he saying to you? Okay, we'll have EMS come check him out. Well, my work. Yeah, EMS. Do you understand me, sir?
It's a little weird that you just videotape on a public safety compound, okay? I mean, is there something I can do to help you? I mean, I'll answer any questions you have.
Sir, do you understand us? Do you speak English? Do you know what today's date is? You're being videotaped too, sir. I got a body camera, so it's worked both ways. Do you understand me? Yes, no? I have EMS come and check out in case you have some sort of mental or trauma to your head, okay? You have any ID on you? You have no ID? Okay. You know who our current president is?
That's true.
Alright, well, FD and EMS are right here. They're linked with our department. They're going to come check you out for any medical related issues, okay? You don't have any weapons or anything like that on you? No? Okay. Because that's a restricted area. Yes, sir.
You're in public view, yes, sir, you are. But I'm just trying to figure out why you're just trying to videotape, a law enforcement building, law enforcement vehicles. It's a little weird. It's that behavior that we just need to try to figure out, okay?
54, we already got 4 out here. Is it okay if I pat you down for weapons? Oh, you understood that, though, right? You got ID on you? You have no ID? What's your social? You don't know your social, or you don't want to give it to me?
You're not getting it.
You're not getting your social? Okay.
Do you need law enforcement to help you out or anything, sir? No?
Okay, still 911? I know your number.
That's fine.
This encounter involves the First and Fourth Amendments. Filming a public building is generally protected under the First Amendment. However, police may initiate a consensual encounter without suspicion. The issue arises when officers escalate requesting ID, questioning mental health, and suggesting a search without clear reasonable suspicion. Calling EMS without visible distress may also raise concerns. The citizen's question, "Am I being detained?" is legally strategic, forcing officers to clarify authority. Police grade, C. Citizen grade, B.
Thanks for coming out, though. Am I being detained?
Has anybody told you you're being detained, sir? Of course not.
June 13, 2018, Phoenix, Arizona. What starts as a routine First Amendment audit at a post office quickly turns into a legal standoff when officers claim filming is not allowed, despite federal policy suggesting otherwise. The question becomes, who actually understands the law?
Yeah, hold on one second. I mean, it's critical. So I guess we had an issue with one of our precincts that people were filming and they're actually trying to get into their secure gates.
Well, that's
No. Well, I'm just saying. So that's sort of kind of on the lines that I'm not saying it's
unauthorized personnel entering.
Yes, yes.
I couldn't walk you through that problem. I couldn't do it.
Yeah,
I couldn't walk behind that
so
shop.
I'm not saying this is what he's telling me. So I'm gonna, when my boss comes out here, I'll explain both sides of the story. I'll let him make the determination of what's going on. Like I said, I'm patrol. I don't claim to know everything. So I'm not going to make a determination that you guys got to leave. You got to leave right now. According to the supervisor here, he does not want you filming on site. Understandable. I understand that you guys already did your research. I'm not questioning that. So when my boss comes, we'll determine it that way. But if you can, just for now, just for the courtesy, if you guys just want to stand, no filming inside for now. If you just want to stand outside for now until my boss comes here.
I don't know if I can promise that, man.
Well, do the best possible. You know what I'm saying? Just to make the peace there for now until my boss gets here. That way, there's no conflict.
Ask you guys to leave, so we won't have to do it. Some of your employees actually.
Hold on, before we continue, we appreciate the request for the argument tonight.
And let me further that. Just so you're aware, I just discussed with our legal unit about this exact situation, and myself as well as our legal unit is in agreement that this is not a typical public forum where someone would come and film and create a news story. The sidewalk is a typical public forum. So based on your representative's request, you can go to sidewalks, film from there, but this is not a typical public forum, a post office. So you are going to have to heed his request.
I understand. By typical, what exactly do you mean by typical? So somewhere normally people don't go do this. Is that what you're saying?
A typical public forum would be sidewalk.
So I mean,
the sidewalks, public property. This is not public property. This is public property in the sense that it's through the court cases. Because again, I just spoke with our legal unit through. And he's researched this extensively.
Have you reviewed your poster 7 by chance?
And let me.
No, just
okay. So this isn't a typical public forum, meaning that it's not like the sidewalk where you would protest. A lot of people protest on the sidewalk, streets, things of that nature, where they would get permits. This is the post office where people are coming to conduct lawful business. This would not constitute a public forum in the sense of protesting, producing public media, things of that nature. The sidewalk would be, streets would be when you get your permits, things of that nature.
I disagree with you. This is a public. You guys have you guys get money from the public, right? You guys get a bond every year, about 18 million last year, to be exact, around there, ballpark figure. So you guys get grant money from us, the taxpayers. You guys are an establishment that was established under the executive branch of our federal government as an independent, right? This is where the independent comes from. But you guys are an establishment that was established under our executive branch. So you guys do have a responsibility to we the people. Now that is in a publicly accessible area, right? In the lobby, it's publicly accessible. Anyone from the public may access it and go use their services, right? Now, if I'm able to be there, if it's accessible to the public, if I'm able to walk in there, then I can record it.
Yeah, there are limitations on what we can and can't do.
I can record it. There is no gray area on that. That is what the law says.
I appreciate your interpretation, but again, from my experience as well as our legal unit who I just consulted with, based on the premise that the post office property is not a typical public forum wherein
but it is public. Not
a typical public forum wherein you would create news media, which you guys are doing now.
Well,
so he's asked you to leave.
You can't determine what is newsworthy or not.
I'm just gonna ask you guys to leave because you guys are disturbing, like I said, disturbing our process, our work process, and
your representative opted for that, by the way. We said not a word. So I would suggest you go back and review your cameras.
And we would like this to be permanent. Like,
oh, absolutely not, man. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. This is
okay. So, gentlemen, we're gonna have to ask you to leave now. He's asked you twice, and we've explained to you.
Because this has now been moved over towards the criminal side, I need your guys' identifications, please.
And am I charged with?
Hey, I'm getting ready to leave.
I was just waiting for this conversation.
We haven't been given
leave right now.
We're
You've been given ample opportunity.
Yeah, I was only standing here for the end of this conversation.
Before I do choose
at that point.
This case centers on First Amendment rights within a limited public forum. U.S. post offices are federally owned but operate under specific regulations, including Poster 7, which generally allows photography in publicly accessible areas like lobbies. However, law enforcement may argue restrictions based on disruption or operational concerns. The officers claim that the property is not a typical public forum reflects legal nuance, but ordering ID without clear trespass or refusal may be premature. The auditor demonstrates knowledge but risks escalation by refusing compliance. Police grade, auditor grade, B.